Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to subscribe to Roblox Premium in the correct way. If you are new to Roblox or just thinking about upgrading, then this guide will help you through how to do it safely, directly through the official Roblox app. First, launch open the Roblox application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. After you are logged into the home page of Roblox, go ahead and tap on the More button at the bottom right corner. Inside the More menu, look for Premium option and tap on it. Roblox offers few membership options: Roblox Premium, Premium 1000, and in some cases, Premium 2200. Each plan gives you monthly Robux allowance and access to other premium features like trading and selling items. Choose the one that fits your budget and tap on the Get Premium button underneath one of the options. Now click on Subscribe Now. Click on the Purchase button when you see this membership tab, and then you can make your payments with App Store payments like Google Play or Apple Pay, depending on your device's type. In some of the countries or regions, Roblox accepts credit or debit cards, PayPal, etc. Make sure that you avoid any third-party offers or promotions that seem suspicious. This is important for your safety and account security. After following through the on-screen subscription and going through the payment steps, you will see a premium badge on your Roblox profile, and that's how you will be able to subscribe to Roblox Premium. If you found the video helpful, feel free to like or share it with someone who's trying to figure this out. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.